degrees, and the normal low is 9. This is a high wind warning from the National Weather Service. For the following locations in Colorado, the Northern Front Range foothills including Estes Park and Nederland, Rocky Mountain National Park and the Medicine Bow Range in the mountains of Summit County, the Mosquito Range and the Indian Peaks. High wind warning in effect from 11 a.m. this morning to 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Thursday. West winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 80 miles per hour expected. Where? Rocky Mountain National Park and the Medicine Bow Range, the mountains of Summit County, the Mosquito Range, and the Indian Peaks, and the Northern and Front Range foothills. When? From 11 a.m. this morning to 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Thursday. The following impacts are expected. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People are urged to secure loose objects that could be blown around or damaged by the wind.